So welcome to my channel, thank you for watching. In this video I will try to make a quick presentation of the channel and of myself. My name is Ivan, I'm French, I live in a small city in the middle of France, and a year ago we bought an old house which dates back to the 16th century, and below the house is an old cellar which is even older than the house. The cellar was built, I think, during the medieval era, maybe before, I don't know. It's quite in a rough state right now. It's quite humid and there are a lot of other issues which I'll talk about. But our main focus of the channel will be to transform and renovate the cellar and make it into a nice workshop, a nice modern workshop. So after the completion of the workshop, the channel, I hope, will transform into yet another workshop channel where I will be presenting to you things I do and how I do it. So my interest will be mainly in woodworking and forging. I also have 3D printers. It will be a mix of all those things. So I wanted to make a quick presentation about myself so you understand my background and how I see the world when it comes to building stuff and working. I've been working in the VFX industry. I work in commercials and feature films, mostly French feature films, so nothing you would have seen, I think. So I've been working in the VFX industry for 10 years, so mainly behind the computer, so I'm comfortable with 3D modeling, with compositing, with editing and shooting, and I'm a match move artist. So if at any point you want to know more about what I do, maybe I'll do a video specifically about that. So I work remotely, I work from my home, and that's quite nice. It means that I have some free time because I work in freelance, so sometimes I have some work and sometimes I have free time. So that's quite nice to be able to do the workshop, but the downside of that is that I do not control my schedule at all. I can think I have a week of free time, but I can have some work dropping on me from 1 hour to the next, and I'm not exaggerating. It's kind of hard to keep a very tight schedule, so I don't know how it will work with the YouTube thing. I will try to be consistent about my upload and the updates about the project, but I don't know how consistent I will be juggling the work and the YouTube channel. So why did I decide to make a YouTube channel? It's about having some motivation to do those projects. The renovation of the cellar is a thing I want to do for quite some time now, since we bought the house, so 1 year now. But I've been putting it off because I have a lot of other interests, and by having such an inconsistent schedule of work, it's been hard to allocate time to this project. So I hope that by making a YouTube channel and having the constraint of uploading videos, I will be able to have some hardcore motivation to advance in my project. One other idea about the YouTube channel is something that I heard Angus from Maker's Muse talked about documenting the project and documenting what you do. That's something I think is interesting because I've been doing some project for a couple of years now, building some stuff. Maybe I'll show you what I do. After a time you forget how you overcome such a particular problems of the solution that you found, especially if you're like me and it's a hobby, so you are not working in your workshop all the time, so sometimes you forget what you did a couple months ago, and it's a constant learning, and it's not the most efficient. So the idea behind what Angus proposed is to document your process, so you learn from it, and you have feedback also from the community to improve, and that's something that I find very interesting. And also thinking about how you tell people what you do, I think it provides some reflection that you wouldn't have without making the video. I'm quite impulsive when I work, and I think that by making videos about my project, it will help me have a bit more thought behind what I do. Why did I choose to do this channel in English? It's quite obviously for the size of the audience that I can reach. Not because I want to make money, like I said, but because I want to engage the community and have some feedback on my work. So English is the king in YouTube, so that's mainly what I decided to do this in English. I toyed with the idea of doing a French version and an English version of my videos, but I don't think it will be practical. I think it will be too much work, so it will be English only. The second reason that I choose to do the channel in English is because I want to improve in my English speaking abilities. I think I understand English quite well and I have some decent vocabularies, but I don't speak English very often. So I hope by doing those videos regularly, I will be able to improve in my English level. So again, my apologies for my accent, and especially to the French people, because it's most infuriating to hear a French person speaking English with such a bad accent. Thank you for having watched the video. I hope it wasn't too long. I tried to make it quick. Maybe it wasn't clear sometimes. But I hope to see you in other videos when I will begin to work on the project for real. Thank you and see you next time.